Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Sumi School. I am Muhammad Ali Amin Upu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class 7. So let's start. Our today's topic is exercise 2.2, question number 15. Your lecture number is 5 for the annual term examination. You have a homework. Your homework number is also 5. So my dear students, let's start. Question number 15 of exercise 2.2 is Nilim is a service holder. His monthly basic pay is taka 22,250. That means this is his monthly salary, okay, monthly income. The income tax of 2,50,000 taka of first slab of annual income is taka 0. This means that, my dear students, on 2,50,000 taka there is no income tax. That means up to 2,50,000 taka and annually there is no income tax. If anyone's income is 2,50,000 taka or less than that, then there will be no income tax. Okay, this means that the income tax is 0. The rate of income tax of next annual income slab is taka 10. This means that the rate of income tax is 10. That means 10%. Rate means 10% is our income tax in the next slab, in the next annual income slab. This means that over 2,50,000 taka there will be income tax. Okay, and the income tax is 10%. So how many taka does he has to pay as tax? We need to find out how many taka as income tax has paid for the Nilim. Okay, that's why first of all we need to find out Nilim's annual income. After that, if the income is more than 2,50,000 taka, then we will subtract 2,50,000 taka from the total income, because on first 2,50,000 taka there is no income tax. Okay, and over 2,50,000 taka, how many taka will be income? On that taka the income tax rate is 10. That means 10%. Okay, from that we can easily calculate the income tax of Nilim. Okay, so the solution of question number 15 will be here. Okay, question number 15 solution. Dear students, we know 1 year, that's equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months, because I am going to find out the annual income of Nilim. That's why first of all we write down, we know 1 year equal to 12 months. Now Nilim's basic pay per month. Nilim's basic pay per month is taka 22,250. Therefore, his basic pay for 12 months is how many taka? We need to multiply 22,250 by 12. Will get taka 2,67,000. If we multiply 22,250 by 12, we will get 2,67,000. This is the total income of Nilim in an year. Okay. Now, my dear students, in a year Nilim's income is this one, and this is more than 2,50,000. That means we need to subtract 2,50,000 taka from 2,67,000 taka. On that taka the income tax is included. Okay. Now we will write down the annual income the annual income tax payable. The annual income tax, therefore the annual income tax the annual income tax payable for taka 2,67,000 minus 2,50,000, because on 2,50,000 taka, in first 2,50,000 taka there is no income tax is included. This equal to taka 17,000. This subtraction means that on 17,000 taka Nilim has to pay the income tax. I repeat, my dear students, on only 17,000 taka Nilim has to pay the income tax, and the income tax rate is 10. That means in 100 taka Nilim has to pay 10 taka. Okay, so the tax for taka 100. Now the tax for taka 100 is, the tax for 100 taka is 10 taka 10. Therefore, the tax for taka 1, it's a unitary method, we will solve this one, is taka 10 over 100. Now, therefore, the tax for taka 17,000 is taka 10 over 100 multiplied by 17,000. Okay, now we can cut the denominator and the numerator. We can cut this denominator 100 by 1, 100 by 100, it will be 1, and the numerator 70,000 by 100, it will be 170. Okay, now multiplication of 10 and 170, it will be taka 1,700. This means that Nilim has to pay the income tax is 1,700 taka. Okay, so Nilim pays taka, therefore you can write down therefore Nilim has to pay taka 1,700 as income tax. The answer is taka 1,700. This is our required answer. My dear students, I hope you have understood my today's solution of question number 15. Okay, and you have a homework, my dear students. You have this similar type of homework. Your homework number is 5. Please mention the homework number in your assigned HW copy in the left top corner. Okay, and your homework is example number 18. This is the similar type of question like the 15 number question of exercise 2.2. My dear students, see you again inshallah in the new class with a new topic, and you can submit your every homework in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.